Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you a comparison of a 2-bedroom here in Dubai in JVC. You will see what you can get for your money. You will see the opportunities that you have in the current market and also the prices and the sizes. Make sure to watch this video until the end because you will see a really amazing apartment with a private pool on the balcony and an amazing view. We start with the first option in Aura by Grovy, and we have this 2-bedroom apartment. As you can see, there is an open kitchen. The color scheme is cream, beige and white. And we have a storage room. We have a small balcony, which is connected to the living room and the bedroom. If you're looking for yourself, you can go for the secondary market. But if you're looking for investment, I recommend you to go for primary market, which is off plan. And I'm here to support you. Just let me know, drop me a message under the comments, or you can just contact me under this number. From the balcony, we can see the view of the apartment, which is not my favorite, to be honest, but it's up to you, of course. Here's the facility room with tennis court and also the gym. Then we have the next option, which is also a 2-bedroom, but with a better view. I can tell you already now, you can see and you will like it. Here we are in the living room with the kitchen. This is a little bit different to the other apartment, but the view is for sure quite better. The balcony is small. In my opinion, it's also good because in Dubai you don't need a big balcony because of the heat, but the view is amazing. So this is the view of the facilities. And here we have everything which is included in the building. You have a paddle court, a big swimming pool, and also a spacious gym. Moving on to the next building, which is developed by Binghatti. Honestly, I'm a big fan of these buildings because everything is just stunning. You will see the finishes, the furniture, the fitted kitchen, the entrance, the lobby, the gym is really nice. You'll see in this video as well. So this is the view of this apartment. In this case, we have an amazing corner unit. You have a spacious balcony and also a very great view. As you can see before, this is the view from the elevator. So here you have the layout. You have a big, spacious living room area and 2 bathrooms with a lot of light, natural light. And here you can see how the bathrooms look like. I really like the style of this apartment. It's very clean and modern. Here you can see that the apartment is surrounded by the balcony. So it's a really good and spacious living room with an open kitchen. Kitchen appliances are included in the apartment. They come from the developer, so you don't need to worry about it. Oh my God, I really love this view. This view is over Marina, over the villas, and it's just stunning. Now we are checking the gym. As you can see, the machines are very new, very modern, and if you like sport, this is the perfect building for you. You have a large swimming pool with cabanas and sitting area. So it's just stunning. Honestly, this is one of my favorite options here. I also wanted to show you an option in an older building. For example, here in Golden Ream, you can see the apartment is more spacious. This is what it's common actually in Dubai. The older buildings, they have more space. You have a storage room, you have a spacious bathroom. Also, the living area is bigger, also the bathrooms. But of course, you have to choose for yourself what's the best. The prices are also slightly less than the newer, of course. So it depends on you, what is your preference and what's your requirements. This is the facility area with the gym and the pool. The gym is honestly very well equipped. You can find everything. The machines are, of course, not that new, but you can do everything that you want. The gym is surrounded by the huge pool, so it's very, very spacious. We are coming to the next option of a 2-bed apartment, and this has a private pool on the balcony area. So you can see it's just stunning. You have a great view over the park in JVC, and you can enjoy the pool by yourself. Guys, if you're interested in this content, please let me know so that I can create more content for you. And also let me know if you have some questions, if you want to know anything. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and comment. Now we are going to check the facilities in the building, and guys, I like what I see. I see that the developer put a lot of effort in the facilities, in the common area. The pool is always clean, spacious, and just beautiful. Last but not least, we are checking the sixth option. As you can see, guys, this is very, very spacious. The balcony is tiny, and I don't mind, to be honest, because I don't care about big balconies. But it always depends on the layouts from the developer. So just the view is not my favorite, but apart from that, this is one of the great options. We have a spacious gym with a lot of machines, and the best thing, the pool on the top floor. The view is amazing.